I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your BMW 535i. First, turn on your car's ignition to activate the infotainment system. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Then, using your iDrive controller, navigate to the communication menu on your car's display. This is the essential first step to begin the pairing process. Once in the communication menu, select Manage Mobile Devices. From there, you will choose Connect New Device to start the pairing process. When prompted, select Telephone to enable both hands-free calling and audio streaming from your phone. Your BMW will then begin searching for available Bluetooth devices nearby. This step prepares your car for connection. After your BMW finds your device, a 6-digit pairing code will appear on your car's screen. It is crucial to carefully compare this code with the one displayed on your mobile device. If the codes match, confirm the connection on both your car's infotainment system and your phone. This ensures a secure and correct pairing between the two devices. Congratulations! Your mobile device is now successfully paired with your BMW 535i. You can now enjoy the convenience of hands-free phone calls and stream your favorite music wirelessly through your car's sound system. For future drives, your BMW will automatically reconnect to your device, making your experience seamless and enjoyable every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.